Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from YourSafe to bank account. In order to do this, you will have to come to you.yoursafe.com and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to hover over to the top and you need to click on this transfer money option. Over here you are going to see a bunch of different transfer options, but among these you will have to select the third option, which is international wire/swift. Once done, you will be landed on the next page where you need to fill out these details. In the first section you will have to provide the beneficiary name. After that, you need to provide their account number, then their address details, BIC and SWIFT code, and then you need to click on this save beneficiary option. Then you will have to provide their country and then you can select the currency as Euro, USD or GBP. Once done, you will have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and after filling these details, you will have to press this confirm button. On the next page, you are going to see the details that you have mentioned previously, so you can make changes into it, or if everything looks correct, then you just have to confirm your transfer, and in the third step, your transfer will be done. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.